Back to the channel. So I have got another wig. I'm super excited. This wig was sent to me by Envious Treats. Y'all remember them? Envious Treats? Yeah. So this is another 360. So this one's supposed to fit perfectly. The other one, if you guys watched the last video, the 360 wig was way too big. My head is way too small for it. If you have not watched the link to that video, it was a 360 26-inch straight wig, probably. But I'll post a link down below. You can go watch that video. Make sure you go catch up and watch that video. But I'm going to show you guys this wig. It's supposed to be a 360. It's supposed to be an 8A grade, if I'm not mistaken. 180% density. Yes. And it's a 100% curly, like natural, like supposed to be like... This wig is like hair goals for someone like me. Like, I'm natural. I'm trying to get to this point. So I'm gonna show you guys this wig really fast. Okay. Yes, honey. All right, so I already know this wig is gonna be fabulous. So this is what your hairline is looking like. It's supposed to be pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Everything is supposed to already be done. So I'm hoping that I don't have to do much. But let's see what some of this parting looks like. Alright. Not so shabby. Yes, girl. I got this. Oh, this is going to be so nice. So this is a 360. Let me turn it around so you guys can see. So this is only a 16-inch. So, you know, with curly hair, 16 inches isn't, you know, as long as straight hair. But I'm gonna slay this. Alright. Let's get to work. My Gotta Be gel. It's a little small one. I'll put it right over here. But today I'm just going to be using this. I think I want to try this method, see how it works holding the wig down by itself. We're going to see. If my wig fall off, gonna be mad because I watched all the reviews and they said this works by itself. So we gonna definitely try this out. Alright, so ready to slay this wig? Woo! So far, so good. This is what we're looking like. Take these little clips out. The hair is really soft. I literally haven't had any shedding yet. Literally no shedding yet. None. And I am running my hands clear through this hair. It's a little stiff right here. I put a little mousse on there when I was styling it earlier. But it's all good. Now, just gonna section the hair so I can style it. But this hair is so soft. So soft. I think I'm gonna wet it and go down the middle and do a little. So the parting, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go down the center and just get a little bit of the hair out so the parting can look a little bit more natural for me. see. I think I'm cute already, girl. Yes, sis. Yes, this hair, y'all. Let me tell y'all. This wig is goals. Goals. Like, what the... I'm jealous of the wig. Like, ah. What? Tell me. I ain't mixed with Puerto Rican. No, I'm for real though. This wig is everything. And I didn't even have to glue it on, to be honest, y'all. I really only glued it on because I really wanted to see how this baby was going to look all the way, like, yes, hair texture. What the? Let me tell y'all something. I wish y'all could run y'all hands through this hair. Okay, alright. I'm just too happy. I'm sorry. Let me show y'all. Okay, so this is lifting just a little bit right here, but don't worry about it because I'll take care of it. Hair goes. Oh, I gotta go to Walmart or something. Alright, so you can already tell that I love the wig. I mean, what? What'd you say? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't hear you. What was that? Huh? You called me? Oh, no. I just got out the shower, that's all. I'm in love.